afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
Karibu sana kwa AIBK podcast. It's a
Asante
temporary
sana.
situation, but it's good.
Yes.
So how has, before we start there, please tell us your name and what you do for your organization.
My name is Githua Ngaruiya. I'm the managing director of Madison Life Assurance, and we are one of the fastest growing insurance companies in Kenya, and 100% locally owned. So born, bred, and raised in Kenya. So if you buy our products, you're supporting the local community.
Awesome. So, well, tell us about your experience so far. How many conferences have you attended of the IABK, and what is different this time round compared to the others?
Actually, I've attended, I think, 5 conferences so far in a row. And to be honest, this is actually the best conference. It's the best organized. The speakers and the topics are very relevant to what we're currently going through within the industry. And the guest speaker and keynote speaker were right on point. So I'm learning quite a bit. And of course, as a conference, especially with brokers, I'm getting to interact with a lot of brokers. I thought I knew them all. Shock on to me. Every year we see new people coming up. So we build new relationships, which is what it is all about. For us at Madison, we support the Brokers Association. They are our key partners. And every year we do meet new people, build new relationships, and get to do business together.
Excellent. So also tell us, what is the most important thing about the dynamics of today's customer, the modern customer? Because you know there's quite a number of them, including they are more techie savvy.
Yes.
They're more aware of their rights, you know, when it comes to claims and stuff like that. So tell us just a little bit about today's customer.
Today's customer, I think there are 3 things that they are looking for when it comes to the services we provide. Number 1 is affordability. Number 2 is trust in terms of the claims will be processed as and when they come due. And number 3 is simplicity. They want to be able to interact with us, purchase our product on an online platform or on a mobile platform, and the reverse take place when a claim is being processed, go through the same process, not now move to a manual process. So as an industry, we are taking this very seriously. These are the 3 key pillars that us as the industry are really focusing on. Affordability. How can we make our products affordable? In the past, people used to think insurance is for those with money, but it is actually a product that even a mama mboga can afford. Our products are now being designed to go down to the micro level and provide a financial protection for that particular customer. And simplicity is the area we are still struggling a bit behind banks and other areas, but we are catching up very quickly.
Speaking of banks,
yes,
is there a sort of competition between the insurance, bank assurance services and the insurance companies? Tell us about that.
Banks actually have gotten license to sell insurance through their banking network. That's called bank assurance, which is actually very good for us as an industry because it is another intermediary that we can work with. So we are happy that they have now, they are part of us in the industry. They can help us reach customers that they have that we as insurance companies could not, or as brokers could not reach. So they're expanding our penetration rate and helping the entire industry get more and more customers.
Excellent. Speaking of industry, again, one last question about the region. Do you think Kenya is growing at the right pace, or do you think there's more that can be done compared to the sister countries in the ESC, for instance?
I think Kenya still has a lot of opportunity. We are growing at a slower rate than expected. When we talk about our penetration rate at below 2% of the GDP, whereas other countries in Africa are at 7%, we still have a long way to go. We have a young population, that requires a lot of our services. So there's still a lot for us to do. I think we are a little bit ahead of the other countries in the region. But having said that, our objective is really to provide financial protection for all our citizens. And that is where we still have a challenge. And that is where we still have a lot of work to do to get there.
Excellent. So as we wind up this conference, what would be your takeout? What is it that you want to see coming out in terms of policy for AIBK? And also tell us something about the regulator. Do you feel that the regulator is doing its work?
One thing I would want to take out in terms of AIBK is strengthening of partnerships with insurance companies. This forum obviously does help in that area. However, I still feel like the industry and the Brokers Association can do a lot. For insurance, we have Association of Kenya Insurers, AKI. Can we start working together as the AKI forum together with the Brokers Association so that we are all under the same umbrella and helping each other grow? We are all serving customers from the same mindset and from the same approach. We are the two of us working together are the ones who can grow the industry. Brokers are the front line. They're the ones who deal with customers on a daily basis. And we still have a lot to learn from them as the underwriters. So the two associations, if we can come together and set up partnerships, I think it can push us in the right direction.
Indeed. Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Ngaruiya. Thank you for your time. I look forward to seeing you around.
Thank you very much.